Hello YouTube friends and fans, welcome back. Tonight we're going to put the flavor plates, flavor bars in there. I'm going to try to resolve the moisture issue here, so I'm going to take this apart on the temperature gauge. And last night I polished up the grates. I actually used a file, cleaned them that way and oiled them, so your sniffer work, you can smell all the vegetable oil where they've been seasoned. So, stick around. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Alright. This is what the grates looked like before cleaning when I brought the unit home as a reminder. And it was just a little bit of scale that I took off. So like I said, I've re-greased this, or seasoned all that. So let's see if we can get this thermostat off the top. Put a glove on. Hopefully don't get too much crap on my hands. Whoa. Need a pair of pliers. So, my thought is drill a little hole right here on the bottom, maybe one on the top. See if we can get this moisture to get out of there. Okay, you can't see it, but just above this tab here, there's a little hole. Woo! Alright, so we got the hole in the bottom there. I had to switch drills because the drill bit was letting go. That already looks a lot better. Alright, so we got to pull the grates so we can get that back in place. But first, let's open this up. Love it, a box inside a box. These cost $21 off Amazon. Actually, I take it back, $23 because they had a tax. So, guess they didn't stay put very well, did they? They do feel very heavy. Little grate here too. They look to be a nice porcelain finish. Okay, there's the wing nut. Let me put that back together. Oh, I know what I wanted to show you. Let me take this other grate out of here. You saw I had trouble with that bolt for the flame tubes. So this one is still loose. I don't know if you can see that or not. But since I got that one down, it ain't gonna go anywhere. And this has got a little tab out here where it locks in. So I feel okay with leaving it the way it is. It's not the most desirable, but it does work correctly. Seem to sit in there pretty good. Well, let's fire it up. Oh wait, we gotta put the top back in. Almost forgot. You guys wouldn't let me forget, would you? Alright, that's in. Time to throw some heat. Want to fire up. I believe I still left the tank on. Look at that. There we go. All three are lit. See how well the temperature gauge climbs. Slide you over here. Maybe we can get a better view. Seems to be climbing pretty quick. Let's take a peek inside and see what we got. Everything looks good. I'll be back with some hamburgers to throw on there. Well, 400 should kill just about anything that was left on the grates. Let's throw some steaks on. A little special made seasoning here. Really ain't that special. If you watch previous videos, I'll show you how I made it. It's just McCormick's Grill Mates, a couple different flavors, garlic salt, some Lowry seasoning salt, and anything else I want to throw in it. Paprika, lemon pepper, it's all the same. That is a good sound. Alrighty friends, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. I'm sure they'll be pretty tasty.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Oh, what is this?
at the other side.